Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we are going to show you how to map response on external request in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. Whenever we make a post request or GET request, we want to save the data we got in the response body in a custom field and use it in our automation. Let me show you how to map response. The response was successfully mapped. There you have it. You just learned how to map response on external request in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.